Hello! Welcome to our lesson. Today, we will learn easy words about the human body. We will also learn how to visit a doctor.
Oh no. You wake up in the morning and you do not feel very good. You feel very tired, weak, and want to sleep. You decide to check your temperature. Oh dear, you are sick today. It is important to know exactly how to describe this bad feeling.
When you feel bad, it is hard to do your normal tasks. But do not worry, we can learn how to fix it together. First, let us learn some basic body parts. This vocabulary will help you tell the doctor exactly where you feel the worst pain today.
This is your head. You use your head to think every day. Sometimes, when you are sick, your head can hurt a lot.
This is your throat. It is inside your neck. You use your throat to swallow warm food and to drink fresh water safely.
This is your stomach. It is where your food goes after you eat a big meal. It can upset you sometimes if you are ill.
This is your arm. You have 2 arms on your body. You use your arms to lift heavy things and to carry bags every day.
This is your leg. You have 2 strong legs. You use your legs to walk to the park, run fast, and jump around playfully. This is your back. It is located behind you. If you sit too long at your desk, your lower back can hurt very much.
This is your ear. You have 2 ears. You use your ears to listen to happy music and to hear your best friends talking. This is your eye. You have 2 eyes to see the beautiful, bright world around you. Eyes are very important for your daily life.
This is your nose. You use your nose to smell delicious hot food and to breathe the fresh morning air deep into your lungs.
Great job! Now you know the basic parts of the human body. You are doing very well, and learning new English words is fun. Next, let us learn about common symptoms. A symptom is a bad feeling in your body that shows you are sick and need help. When your head hurts a lot, it is called a headache. A severe headache can make you feel very tired and need a quiet room. When your stomach hurts, it is a bad stomachache. You might feel sick and not want to eat any of your favorite dinner foods.
If a tooth hurts badly, you have a painful toothache. You might really need to visit a friendly dentist to fix this big problem. If it hurts your neck to swallow, you have a sore throat. Drinking warm honey tea can quickly help your throat feel much better.
Sometimes, your body forces air out loudly from your mouth. This action is called a cough. A bad cough can keep you awake at night. If liquid is coming from your nose, you have a runny nose. You will need to use many soft tissues to clean your nose. If your body feels very hot and you sweat, you have a fever. You must rest quietly in your warm bed to get better.
Achoo! When air shoots out of your nose fast, that is a sudden sneeze. Always remember to carefully cover your mouth and your nose.
These are the most common illness symptoms. If you have them today, it means your body needs some medical help to get better soon.
When you feel sick for a few days straight, you should take action. It is time to pick up the phone and call the doctor.
You call the clinic and say, "Hello, doctor? I feel very sick today. I would like to make an appointment to see you, please."
Now, it is time to slowly go to the medical clinic. Walk carefully and make sure you wear warm clothes to protect your sick body. You sit quietly in the clinic waiting room. There are old magazines to read while you patiently wait for your turn to see the doctor. You might have to wait a little while before your name is called. Watch the big clock on the wall and try to just relax. Finally, the busy doctor is ready to see you today. Walk into the bright room and politely say hello to the nice medical doctor.
The friendly doctor will ask you an important question first. They will usually say, "Hello, how can I help you today in my clinic?"
You should always answer the doctor honestly and clearly. You can simply say, "Hello, doctor. I feel very sick today and need some help." The curious doctor wants to know more about your pain. They will slowly ask you, "Can you please tell me what your symptoms are?"
Now, try to use the new vocabulary words you learned. You can say to them, "I currently have a very bad headache right now." You can also add more helpful details for the doctor. Say, "I also have a dry cough and a very annoying runny nose today."
The doctor will carefully examine you next. Open your mouth very wide so they can easily look inside and check your red sore throat. The careful doctor will also check your body temperature using a thermometer. This tool will quickly show them if you currently have a high fever.
The smart doctor knows exactly what is wrong with you. They kindly say, "Do not worry too much. You just have a common cold."
The doctor quickly writes a paper prescription for you. They loudly say, "Please take this good medicine and get plenty of rest at home."
You politely say thank you and leave the busy medical clinic. Now you clearly know what you need to do next to feel better. Take your special paper to the local pharmacy. A smart pharmacist works here every day, and they will give you the correct healing medicine. Hand your paper prescription to the kind pharmacist. They will read it carefully and quickly find the right medicine bottles to help you heal.
The pharmacist gives you a small bottle of medicine pills. This specific medicine will definitely help your sick body feel much better very soon. It is always important to ask questions if you are unsure. Ask the pharmacist clearly, "How often should I take this new medicine today?"
The pharmacist will easily tell you the daily rules. They might clearly say, "You need to take this medicine exactly 2 times a day."
Finally, you are back inside your quiet home. It is time to strictly follow the doctor's advice and let your tired body start recovering.
Drink plenty of fresh water from your glass. Make sure to take your medicine exactly as the smart pharmacist told you to do today.
Now, go to sleep in your comfortable bed. A long sleep is the best possible way for your body to heal and fight the cold. The next sunny day, you wake up early. The bad symptoms are completely gone. You feel great again. Great job learning English with us today. The next sunny day, you wake up early. The bad symptoms are completely gone. You feel great again. Great job learning English with us today.